Hey, good afternoon guys. I am back at it with another video. This is not a pantry haul. This is an in-between small grocery haul that I need to make, that I budget for kind of like in the middle of the month. I needed to get I have some unhealthy things here, but I have some healthy things here. I had to get different food choices. This month I got some bad test results back from the doctor, so I have to make some better food choices for myself. But anyways, start here. My son, he's barbecue chips fan, so we got some Clancy's barbecue potato chips, and Aldi's is really awesome with their snacks. They're cheap and they're super tasty. I got a bag of goldfish. I'm not sure if this was a really good deal, just because this one was like $3 something. I don't know why, but anyway. I plan on making sloppy joes, so I got some burger buns, which are reasonably priced at Aldi's. I really go for the veggies there, to be honest, and I knew I had to go for veggies, so I just got some other stuff too. I have some mixed peppers that I plan on adding to some meats. Ramens for the son. I have, these are jumbo romaine hearts. I plan on making tacos, but for myself, I'm going to opt out of the tortilla and use this as the shell, and then put the ground beef in there, seasoned ground beef in there. I got cucumbers, one of my favorite veggies. Of course, our bananas. Every haul, I think I have bananas. I got some cuties. These are super easy to peel, and they were pretty good, reasonably priced at Aldi's. Some stevia, I don't know how to say that, but substitute sugar sweetener. Some cheese. I got a pound of ground beef. It's kind of like anti what I do. I really don't buy meats at Aldi's, but I really didn't, just for convenience, I just wanted to pick up everything at that store. So then I got some fish. I got tilapia, and I also got pink salmon, which I've had tilapia, but I've never tried the pink salmon, so I'm pretty excited to try that. And I need some protein in my diet, and some chicken patties for my son. And I got a gallon of milk, and I usually get these waters refilled at Walmart, but their machine is always down, and it's been down for weeks now, so I had to pick up another gallon of water for us. But that's my food haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Until my next pantry haul, this is kind of what we have to budget in the month, and this kind of, to get us through the month, just kind of do little short shopping hauls. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for sticking around. Here's a quick recipe if you want to eat healthy on a budget. I first start off with browning some ground beef. Here I added 2 kinds of sweet peppers, jalapeno peppers, and garlic, and I just sauteed that with the ground beef. Here I added some sweet corn for color and for more flavor. Here you have it, guys. Who said you can't eat healthy on a budget? Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.